Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Welcome to Zisodel TV, where you can get your latest news.
Okay, please.
It breaking news.
Spare some of the expenditures of going to space
all around the world. So all you need
to invest in a pipeline
the subscribe button
that will give you gas in Europe,
so that you can get updated. Okay?
I don't care what Russia will say. I want to compete. We have the money in the ground. What I come to promise you is that this action will speak louder than my voice. Everything that I've loaded in the teleprompter and paper, departed with them after listening to you. I was talking from an imaginary point of view of the promise. I didn't know that you've done your homework, you've read the critical manifesto, you've renewed the determination to renew the hope of every one of you in this room. You are determined to be here, spend time, to do something. What's left is patriotism. The country is ours. And the passport that you are holding, until you go to exile, I hope you will never again face the goons like I did. The usurpers, the military goons that petrol bombed my house.